Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Scott from betterlifehacks.com. In this video, I'm gonna talk about 10 ways to stop absorbing other people's negative energy. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. And make sure you give me a thumb up. And if you enjoyed the video, you can visit the resources section below, and get the free report, guide we recommend, and subscribe to stay updated. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. Are you a sensitive person? You are maybe one of those persons who easily pick up other people's energy. If you've ever spent some time with a negative person, you know how quickly you can start to take on that negative mentality. Have you ever felt that you wish you had known how to protect yourself from negative energy? Sometimes, it happens that people don't even realize they have become negative as a result of being around negative people. And negative people are the worst. If you are feeling overwhelmed from taking on the negative energy of others, here are 10 ways to stop it from happening. Number 1. Identify whose emotion is present. When negative emotion takes over, it's important to identify the source. Is it your own negative emotion, or did you pick it up from someone else? If it is yours, then you can deal with it and work through those emotions, but if it is someone else's, you need to recognize that it's not your burden to carry and let it go. Number 2. Take a break. If you feel like you are around someone that is doing nothing but leeching all over your positive vibes, then it's time to take a break. Taking some time to yourself will allow you to reconnect with who you are as a person. It will also allow you to recharge your positive vibes, and thus make clear decisions on what you want out of life, as well as how to best approach the situation with this negative person. Number 3. Don't try to convince others about your beliefs. This is actually the worst thing you can do. No matter how sure you are about what you've experienced, trying to force a low vibrational person to spiritual awareness is exhausting. You may feel the need to fight for them and show them the truth, but this will most likely begin a quarrel. Most likely, they will drag you down to their low frequency, and you will feel guilty of letting yourself fall for that. This begins a bad karmic circle, which is absolutely unnecessary. Remember, wisdom is gained, not forced. Number 4. Learn to say no. There is so much power in the word no. Sadly, in this day and age, many of us struggle with this simple word, and it results in us absorbing people's negative energy. If you are finding yourself saying yes all the time, you are more than likely taking on some of the burdens of others, and sacrificing your own happiness. Never feel guilty about protecting yourself with the word no. This is not to say that you shouldn't offer service and support to those in need, it's just about gauging your own energy. Your energetic signature is precious, and if you feel that it may be compromised by someone else, or if you are going to walk away from a particular situation emotionally drained, then just say no. Number 5. Find your environment. It's not all about the outer environment. It's especially about the inner environment. It's never where you were at, it's where you feel you were at. Why is the environment so important? Our environment alters our DNA, but in particular, it is our perception that alters our DNA. The environment alters your mood. How you see yourself governs what you become. You have to take 100% responsibility for where you place yourself. More than ever, when you place yourself in an environment which complements your own energy, the magic starts to happen. What you see with your eyes, and what you have inside of yourself, becomes a reflection of how you feel. Once you have harmony within yourself, you stop absorbing other people's energy, and you start imprinting your energy on the world around you. Number 6. Do not play God. Sending energy to people in need is a divine work. However, you should always be aware of karma. Before trying to heal or cast spell for other, ask yourself, do you have their permission? Why this person needs healing? Could this situation be a divine message for the subject, which needs to learn at someone's own pace? It is very important to understand that meddling with others' reality may easily drag you to theirs. Of course, as witches, we can bend reality and miraculously change the outcome. But is it always needed? After all, this world is just a test. Number 7. Know your limits. When it comes to dealing with negativity and negative energy, it's important to know what triggers that feeling in you. When you can identify a feeling associated with negativity, you can identify it sooner and deal with it faster. If that negativity is associated with a person, you can see it coming from a mile away, and start walking in the other direction. Number 8. Surround yourself with amazing people. One of the best ways to dispel negative energy is to not lose sleep over it, and instead shift your focus to more positivity. Start surrounding yourself with people who lift you up, and you will soon see the huge impact on your life. When you find people who make you feel good, hold on to these rare gems, and ensure that you bless them with radiant joy, just as they do for you. When you are using the law of attraction, you will start to find yourself naturally manifesting amazing friends, who are on the same path as you are. Just be patient and they will come. Remember, like attracts like. Number 9. Express yourself and have fun. It is not wise to continuously suppress your emotions. Although bursting out should be avoided, you should learn to express your emotions, and show your true colors. In this way, you are true to yourself, thus empowered, feeling more comfortable with who you are. By having fun, you actively raise your vibrations, thus becoming immune to darkness. The more you practice on that, the more protected you will be. Singing, dancing and laughing can always affect your energy. Remember that. Number 10. Meditate. If negative emotion and energy are flowing over you, take a few minutes to sit quietly in your own head and meditate. Block the negative thoughts, and make room for the positive emotions and energy in your life. Okay, that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Above are 10 ways to stop absorbing other people's negative energy. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, if you found this video even a little bit useful. Your support means a lot, I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, I'll talk to you soon.